Alright, I am here in the 1980s and 1990s wing here at Disney's Pop Century Resort here at Walt Disney World in Florida. And look right here, we have a giant keyboard because you look at the 90s building, got a giant computer, a classic one as well. Very cool. And here we come into building number 7. And the weird thing is, building number 7 is located in the 1980s, while building 6 was in the 1970s. Because over in the 1970s, that's where building 6 and 10 are located. And building 7, 8, and 9 are in this area. So now we're going to go in and check out the elevators here at building number 7. And you are greeted by a statue of Roger Rabbit standing on top of some barrel. This is like a crosswalk right here. And now here are the elevators. We got more Fujitec elevators with Otis Series M2 button replacements. Former EPCO SSL, I believe. We have the left car to ride first. That lights up, but the chime does not work. Let's go to 4. Here we're on 4, it's bright right up here. Back down to 1. Door close does not work on this set of elevators. Here we're at 1. Send this car upstairs. We'll try to get the other elevator. There goes that elevator. Got a mirror right here. Hey there. And now let's ride the right elevator. This one's a newer button replacement because it's got the blue. And here's the right elevator. Take out the 4. Fourth floor, and now I end at 1. Like I said, door close does not work on this set. The cabs are pretty much the same as all the other elevators here at this resort, but the color in the back is different to represent a new decade, which is red. Your air freshener, floor indicator, certificate, Otis Series M2 button replacement, former EPCO SSL, capacity starting 100, this is elevator 2. Got no phone. And there it goes. And that'll be it for this set.